Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back to kafycrypto YouTube channel, your number one crypto news and marketing agency. My name is Okafumi Cynthia, a Web3 marketing specialist. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about two video streaming platforms, right? Yeah, so one of them is Odysee and the other one is YouTube. Are going to be comparing these two platforms to know the one that is actually more profitable for Web3 creators, right? So by the end of this video, you'll be deciding the one that you feel is more um advanced and more profitable, right? Yeah, so stay with me, and if you are visiting this channel for the first time, right, do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that you get to watch more of our videos and learn from what we have to offer to you. So you're highly welcomed right here. So thank you. So the one of the platforms that we have is Odysee, right? So I'm going to be opening it up my system right now, and also I'm going to be opening the YouTube platform up. So I believe all of you already know about YouTube, but a very good number of you might not know what Odysee is all about. So I'm going to talk about this platform right now. This Odysee platform is just an opposite of YouTube. What they do basically is what YouTube does. I mean, no difference, right? But there is a difference in the way creators are being paid. There's a difference in the way creators are being paid for their work, and not just creators, even the users of this platform, right? Yeah, so that is basically it. Now, the difference between these two platforms is this. Let's start with YouTube, right? So YouTube is a platform owned by Google, and Google is dominating search engines from Facebook, sorry, from Google, that is Chrome browser, to email and every other platform out there. For once there's any new innovation, the only thing Google is not doing yet is creating social media platforms, right? Yeah, so that is basically it. So now, when you are registering with Google will tell you to sign a whole lot of policies that you are agreeing to. They're telling Google, do anything you want with my channel. If I create a bad video, ban me. If I sell a software that I'm not supposed to actually sell free of charge, ban my accounts. As in, you signed all these things. So sometimes when you are complaining that Google put down your channel, you shouldn't actually be so upset, because that was the bargain, right? It's funny, but that is it, right? Now, that is totally different with Odysee, right? That's totally different with Odysee, because take for instance, on this platform, right, just unlike YouTube pays only creators, that is the people who make these videos, right? But for Odysee, they pay the creators and the people who watch the video. Imagine watching videos and being paid to watch videos. That is what this Odysee does. But YouTube is not like that. Another good thing again here is that if you are using Odysee, right, you don't need to always be scared of ban. I've seen situations whereby a friend of mine hustled and worked hard on YouTube for over 3 years, and his channel was at, whether I think it should be around 8k to 12k subscribers, and YouTube pulled down his channel permanently. I mean, I said permanently. That is how this guy lost everything he labored for like 2 to 3 years, and you can imagine how painful that was, right? Yes, it's actually very painful. I mean, very painful. So that is basically it right now. But on this particular platform, it is not like that. I mean, it's a blockchain site. So I mean, everything is the other way around. The community rule and not the laws and the policies, right? Yeah. So most of the big creators that you know on YouTube are already migrating to this platform because they know that they have more privilege of their channel not being down, right? Just unlike every other platform out there. I mean, okay, it's almost 5 days ago, 10 days ago. So this is to show you that people are on this platform. If you are seeing this platform for the first time, you don't even know that a platform like this exists. And a creator on this platform with 2,000 followers is getting 500 and something views in 10 days, 700 and something views in 5 days, 331 views in 2 days. And these things, these views are not from bots, they are from real humans. I mean, they are from real humans that watch these videos and they got value from it. And probably if you even open it, you might even get to see some of their comments. What does this tell you? That people are actually on this platform, that this platform is continuously growing, right? Yeah, so that is, I wish I can see where to check the number of users that they already have, so that you see that, I mean, this is beyond what some of you think it is. Maybe some of you are thinking it's a new platform. It's not a new platform. It's a platform that is actively competing with YouTube. But then, you know, they can't really compete with YouTube that much because YouTube already have if not billions of users, right? But these ones are still running in millions, but then they are still growing gradually. I mean, it's going to be a gradual, it's going to be a gradual process, not something that will happen overnight. But either ways, they are doing their best and they are really trying, right? At least they don't ban accounts, they don't restrict accounts, they don't pay creators the same way YouTube pays creators. If you are doing very well on this platform, you would even get to aim more, right? Yeah. So, but then I'm not trying to talk down on YouTube. I have a channel on YouTube. In fact, I'm even watching this video from YouTube, right? So I'm not trying to talk down on it, but I'm trying to let you know that these two platforms are platforms that you can actually utilize to make money from. The both platforms are good, but if you're a Web3 creator, you can also consider having accounts on Odysee to exploit the features of these two platforms. So I hope this comparison makes sense to you, right? Yeah, so I hope to see you on my next video. Let me know if you got value. Let me know if there is any other Web3 platform that is like maybe Brave browser or like Odysee that actually pays both the creators and the users. If you let me know in the comment section, I'm going to research about it and also make video about that too. So I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.